The South Bay is the most southwest part of Los Angeles, and it holds some amazing cities like Redondo Beach, Manhattan Beach, Torrance, Rancho Palos Verdes, just to name a few. Today I'm going to share with you just my top 7 reasons why I love living here in the South Bay, and think you might too. So my number 1 reason why I love living here in the South Bay is going to be definitely the weather. Oh my gosh, we are so spoiled over here. It honestly rarely ever leaves the 60s and 70s over here. And you know, when it's in the 80s, we're complaining it's too hot, and when it's below the 60s, then we are freezing. So we don't get much rain, we don't get really any humidity here. We, have that amazingly refreshing ocean breeze, and the sun's almost always shining. We have a little bit of gloom in June gloom, but besides that, we are sunshine chilling over here in the South Bay. So my second reason is going to be the beaches. And a majority of the cities here in the South Bay are beach cities. So we have a lot of beautiful ocean views, and we have a lot of piers at our beaches. So you can even walk out on the piers and get ocean views that way. We also have the Strand. So you'll see a lot of people walking their dogs or skating or riding bikes out on the Strand and enjoying it that way as well. Reason number 3 is going to be dining, the restaurants, the food. Oh my gosh. So we have really amazing restaurants out here in the South Bay, and just so much variety and so much different options to choose from. I'm honestly probably sitting on DoorDash for a good 30 minutes before I can actually pick something. And reason number 4 will be shopping. So we have a lot of really huge malls here, a lot of really large shopping malls. And then on top of that, we also have a lot of really cute vintage boutique type shops down by the beach. So we have a lot of variety with different types of places to shop at as well. Reason number 5 is going to be education. We have a lot of really great schools here, and the South Bay is actually known for having a very great school system. I know a lot of parents like sending their kids to private school, but that may not be totally necessary here in the South Bay. Reason number 6 is going to be the energy, and I guess that chill beach vibe that we have here. Most of the people that live here, I feel like, are nice, and it's just that easygoing, relaxed, chill beach energy that we have here living in the South Bay. And my last 7th reason is going to be the cleanliness of the cities here. So our homeless population is a lot less than other areas within Los Angeles. So it is cleaner here and just well maintained overall, in my opinion. So those are my top 7 reasons. If you have any questions regarding the area, I'd be happy to answer them for you. And if you did like this video, please do hit the like button. Thanks again so much for watching. With grace and love.